Hi guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be actually showing to you how to add to story using green screen. I believe this is already available on TikTok. Today I found out that this has been added on my Facebook. As you can see on my screen, if you go ahead and go to add story, let's have a look. And here you have option, you have text on the left, music on the middle, green screen, you have boomerang, selfie, and poll. Let's pick the green screen. So here you can select the background that you like. So at the moment I have green screen background, which I don't actually. It works really well. I have just white background behind me. So let's pick a background. So since I'm in Sydney, I will pick Sydney. So here, as you can see, it works really well. Yeah, so I'm here now in Sydney. That's Harbour Bridge. That's Sydney Opera House. And let's change another background. Oops, sorry. Let's take a photo. So we change another background. Let's go to Egypt. So now I'm in Egypt. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate. Well, there's a bit of glitch there because I don't have the actual green screen, but it works really good. So let's go to space. So as you can see, I'm on the top of the earth. I think behind me is Australia. It's pretty cool. You can pinch your image, you can zoom it out, whatever you want, and you can zoom out the photo as well behind you. And yeah, all right, let's pick another background. So here you can see that I have Pikachu next to me, and this is a PNG image that I just downloaded, so I don't own that. It's a pretty cool feature. We have a flash as well on the top, which actually works pretty well. And this is a volcano, Mount Mayon volcano in the Philippines. As you can see, I'm pretty white here, so if I turn this off, that's just the natural lighting. You also have, if you want to go to Las Vegas, you are now in Las Vegas, right? And the last one, let's have a look at the Dragon Ball. If you like Dragon Ball, there you are. There you go. And that's how you actually do it. I don't think it's available to everyone yet. I've tested it on my iPhone, so it's not there yet. So that's about it. Thank you guys.